What's up, guys? We're back with another video. This video is about the Integra. So if you guys don't know from the last video, we did get a 94 Integra. It was a shell. It was given to us by a subscriber. Today, first off, let's start by saying, if you haven't already, go down in the description below, hit that subscribe button.
Close to 300.
But today we are actually driving to go pick up a motor for the Integra. We still don't have a trans, and there's still a few other things that we still need to get, but a motor, I would say, is the biggest step in the right direction. So we're gonna head over there, pick up the motor and bring it back to the house. Now obviously I don't have the trans for it or anything, so we won't be putting the motor in today, but we'll at least have it. And I plan, I'm going to take it off, get a new head gasket, put some ARP head studs, get it back from the machine shop, all that stuff, and then we're gonna start looking for a transmission. I'd like to get a B16 trans. Well, I'm not even gonna tell you guys what motor it is, but you guys will see that when we pick it up. So let's get over there, pick the motor up, and let's get it back here so we can dive in. So we're gonna head over, pick up the motor right now, get it loaded up. Also, I need to stop and grab my welder for another project that we got for one of the other cars on the channel, which you guys will see. We got some pretty cool stuff for the E36 too. So like I said, might as well subscribe. There's some cool stuff coming, and we're gonna prep pretty much all the cars we can for the beginning of next year to hopefully be doing a lot of cool stuff with all of them. And you know, we're always up to shenanigans, so why wouldn't you subscribe for that? But yeah, we're gonna head over there, get those, and fill you guys in a little bit more when we get there. So see you guys in a little bit.
Problem, bro.
You found your problem?
Yeah.
What was it?
Fucking resistor.
Resistor box? So
Yeah,
now it kicks on?
The resistor is messed up.
Ooh, that looked nasty as
Yeah, like something fucking blew up in there.
yeah, like someone's blew a diaper up in there. It looks nasty. If you guys didn't see the video, his blower motor was not working when we took this thing out. But we took it out and had some fun. It handled really good in the freaking in the turns. It's kind of funny. We had to buy one of those little the little heaters.
Defogger shit.
We went to the junkyard, but absolutely no luck there. They had another one that did have a blower motor, but good thing we didn't, because it was not even the blower motor. I'm gonna hijack my welder back. Good old faithful. I'll take this. Fit perfect for the EF. Is this the one you got from Chris?
Yeah.
Why did he have such a tiny one?
No, that's not the one I got from Chris. I got that from what's it?
Oh, with that kit. Okay.
Yeah.
If I ever do anything to the hatch, I'm gonna need something small like this too, because my big ass bull.
Yeah, eBay more than likely.
Oh shit, the OG steering wheel. To show you guys how small this is. It looks bigger in the camera, but the funny thing is, way back, if you guys are OGs, then you remember the videos when we were turboing the Black Eclipse. This dude went online and he's like, damn, I like the style of that steering wheel. See, it's supposed to be a little bit bigger. And when it arrived, he was like, what the hell? The thing is like a go-kart steering wheel. Let me show you a little comparison. Normal steering wheel. It's so tiny. And we've just been debating on putting it on something just for shits and giggles. Hey, I should put it on the Integra since it doesn't have a steering wheel right now. It has that Type R one. It's all bent up. Just put this little guy on there.
Down.
I am down, actually, just to move it around and shit. That'd probably suck driving through the canyons though, honestly. With a car, with a steering wheel that tiny, I think I'd pass. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Do you have anything to strap it down? So we got the motor in. You guys guessed it. We're going B20 in the Integra. Just like Ag Boy over here.
To me.
Lock. Now we just got to get a transmission for it. I'm going to stock intake manifold on. We'll see if it clears. I highly doubt it. He says, it might. I say, nah. But we'll see. If it fits in there and shit, even with spacers, I will possibly run it, but if not, we'll just go find an intake manifold. But I'm gonna take this home and unload it at the house, start getting some parts for the Integra. Still gonna be on the lookout for a transmission. We've got to still go to the junkyard for possibly a hood and the engine harness. Other than that, it's coming along fairly quick. So, oh, and we need a shifter. Do you have a B series shift linkage for Integra?
I believe I have like 3 of them.
Huh.
I looked through all my shit.
Alright, we'll have to look through the fucking warehouse of this guy. So, slowly but surely, actually that's a pretty big part, having the motor already, so it's moving along. Alright, so we have the motor, it's in the back. We're on our way home. We're gonna unload it. There's not much going on for this video, just basically picking up the new motor, revealing what it is. I did end up going with B20 just because I do like how it feels in the Rex. Obviously it's gonna feel a little bit different in a heavier car, but it was easy to get my hands on, so we went with the B20. I still need to find a few more things. We're gonna start sourcing those things out so we can put the entire Integra together. That's pretty much it. Down the road, yeah, I do plan on going B20B, but for right now, tossing up the idea of going just B20 with a turbo. Obviously right now, when I put everything together, I just want to throw the B20 in, make sure everything works, and then I will think about throwing the turbo or whatever I decide in the Integra. But we have the motor. We did not find anything else at the junkyard for the Integra, at least. Found a couple things for the hatch, but we're going to go to another yard that has a little bit more Hondas. This one didn't seem to have a lot of Hondas that weren't completely gone through or just didn't have what we need. So we're gonna try and go to another yard here in the next couple of days when we get a chance. You know, we both still work our 40-hour jobs, so, and most of the junkyards around here stopped opening on Saturday for some weird apparent reason. I have no idea why. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Most people work during the week, so you guys close at 4 and then you guys aren't open on Saturday or Sunday. And the ones that are open on Saturday or Sunday are all ran through and they don't have anything that you need. So it's a mess. Like, obviously for like certain shit that we need, like we'll just buy brand new, like mounts and stuff like that. But like hood, I can go and see if the junkyard has it. Engine harness, see if I can find a Integra that hasn't been completely cut through, and then just maybe pick that up. So that's where we're at with the Integra. That's the plans for now. And we're gonna get home and unload the motor out, put it inside, and then we'll see what we can do next. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Definitely go down in the description below, hit the subscribe button. It does help with the channel. It helps it grow. So go down, subscribe, help the channel out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.